name is Jure, and I'll show you a gospel rope trick. And today I'll show you how God sees our sin. Over here I have a short rope, a medium-sized rope, and a long-sized rope. Suppose this rope represents a person who is almost perfect and almost doesn't have any sin. And this one is a person who does an average amount of sin. And suppose this one represents a person who does lots and lots of sin. Right now, I will show you how God sees our sin. He sees them all the same. And God sent His only begotten Son to come and die on the cross to save us from our sin. And then He was buried. And on the third day, Jesus Christ rose from the grave. So it doesn't matter if your sin is short, medium-sized, or long, because Jesus Christ forgave you.